Hey there Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a briefcase. Now you can make this easier on yourself and draw that vertical. Now draw these lines very gently, okay, so you can erase them later if you want to. These are just guidelines. So draw, it's a parallelogram, just slightly going up that way. And this can come straight across and down a bit so you can get the thickness of your briefcase, and then you're going to want a curve like that, and then straight across parallel, and then that will be a curve there as well. Now work out roughly where the middle is, and the middle there, and the middle in between. Okay, so I'm going to draw up and across and down to those sort of middle parts there, and then we'll go up and then go wiggle wiggle. That's the handle part like that, and that will come down there, and then little curves to join them up, and then we want the the hingy bits which sort of hold it on to the top of the briefcase. Then here we can come follow around that curve all the way down to the bottom and stop. Now here we will get a kind of a thickness of the leather or the material, and then we'll bring that across to about there, go across there and across there, follow that curve around, and then we want to draw a curve coming around to there. So this is where the strap will be coming down, and that's usually held on with a kind of a bigger piece there, and we want to sort of stitch that on like that. And here we want the buckle, so that can sort of be slightly bigger, and then we'll see it sort of slightly curved as it goes through. And we want the holes, for the, we need to have that there, don't we? That's right. So we need the holes for the buckle bit to go through. Then we can bring that down to there, and across to there, and up to there like that. You can have kind of a thickness of the leather there like that, or the material, whatever it's made of, like curve there, and we can have that thickness there again, and we can take that thickness down there and let it kind of fade in there, and then here a curve at the top, and we can just shade that bit in. It's all a bit dark underneath there. You can maybe put a little bit of sort of highlight there like that. Let's put a line at the back so it can sit on the table, as it were. And then I'm just going to draw a little bit of shading like that to put it on the table. Erase that pencil line when you're sure that the ink is dry, of course. And then you can put a little bit of fancy stitching all around here. And we can put some stitching down here as well. And this just sort of adds a bit of interest to the whole thing and just makes it look a bit more sort of pretty, or just a bit more finished, I suppose. And we can maybe put some down there as well. And there you go. How to draw a briefcase, real easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing. Practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.